Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for Motorhome Depot Dorchester. My name is Mike Marks, I'm your broker. My phone number is 07494 086 558 or landline 01258 268 160. One of our team will be delighted to take your call. My email is mikemarks@motorhomedepot.com. You can find us in Blandford in Dorset. Postcode is Delta Tango 119 Hotel Yankee. Today I'm looking at a lovely grey Ford Transit 2018, 105,000 miles, 2-litre engine. A lot of work being done to the vehicle, in great condition internally and externally. As a 105,000 miles, 6-speed manual gearbox, 4 berth, 4 belts, 2 swivel seats in the front, priced at $28,999. Gonna take a look around it now. Please feel free to join me and leave your comments or make an inquiry on the numbers. Thank you.